What's up, DX's channel? Today we're gonna be doing a prank on my little sister. So basically, right now she in the house asleep, and we, it's the 4th of July, and we got extra fireworks. So we gonna we got the mop bucket, cause I couldn't find no pen. So basically, we got a mop bucket, and well, it ain't really no mop bucket. It's just a bucket. And basically, I'm gonna put them in there, and I'm gonna set the thing on fire, and we're gonna see what her reaction is from there. I got Alex with me, and I got my little cousin over there with me. Look at all these fireworks out here, though.
Yeah,
And let me tell y'all, it's like 6 o'clock in the morning. And I'm also gonna have a vlog coming for y'all. So,
are you ready to
don't forget, before we get into this video, though, don't forget to hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe. And her channel link will be in the description down below. She doing behind the scene for me.
Gang.
I don't know what she over there doing. She over there tweaking. What you doing? This nigga finding more firecrackers than what we popped yesterday. Well, we had a lot of them, as y'all can see. We was up in this turn. They had this whole, it's mosquitoes, y'all. We'll be back with y'all when this, dang boy, don't that house look abandoned? I know. But we'll be back at this video in a minute. We'll get back. We're trying to find out my niece and her sleep still too. But anyway, we're gonna jump to this prank. They sleep. They got a bucket.
Let's go, man.
Let's get it, man. I'm gonna set this camera up right here, though. Get their reaction, hopefully. Come on. Dang, but they slept not just, bro, you gotta, bro, let me do it.
Give me some of these. I'm gonna throw them out.
Okay, here's the firecrackers right here.
Hold on, G, like this thing.
I don't know if it's gonna work. It might be a fail, epic fail. Oh no, but man, let's jump into this video. Y'all ready? Y'all ready?
Hold on, G, what this say, man?
You gotta let her video say.
I'll show you how to edit that stuff out. Come on, man. You using these?
Yeah. You got you some, don't you?
Yeah, but I ain't got a lot.
Hey, I'm
Oh, you finna knock this video over. You tweaking.
That's all right.
Oh yeah. If y'all don't know, I'm gonna have a vlog coming for y'all.
Oh, save it, G.
Okay, y'all ready?
Give me some.
Girl, you supposed to be getting behind the scenes.
I am. Oh. Alright, Charles, come on, man. Oh, that shit was like crack.
Alright, y'all. So my back to scene person actually acting goofy over here. So we just wait for her.
Alright, Charles, come on.
Hold on, y'all. My camera gotta focus. There we go.
Are you ready? One.
Come on, y'all. I got my little cousin in on the prank too, as y'all can see in the beginning of the video. She gonna light it.
And you gonna drop it?
And we go run. Come on. You see the smoke? As y'all can see, that was an epic fail. Only if we had more though.
They was shooting, G.
Bro, so like if somebody was really shooting, y'all still be asleep, huh? Y'all, not the end of it.
Dang, the behind the scenes camera was whack.
Y'all, that's not the end of it though. Okay? So, basically, I probably finna put some hot sauce in her mouth with some whipped cream with some water. But if I do that though, I'm gonna be back with y'all. So, yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. This ain't the end of the video, but it's the video.
Check out the behind the scenes, gang. Bye.
What's up, TAs and y'all? I'm back again with another video. And today, well, I'm gonna be adding on to the same prank. I'm gonna be doing a numb in the mouth since the firecracker prank ain't work. I told y'all I was coming back with another video, and I was coming back hard. So yeah, let's jump to this video, cause y'all already know what's finna go on. So yeah, we are going
Bro, what's wrong with you, bro?
Not very long, Mr. Sticky Joints. You won't have your filth once I use this on you. Once I use this on you. So, you were there. You ready for that?
I'm dead, bro. I'm weak. You good? You good? What's wrong? Nothing. Why you tweaking? Why you tweaking for?
That something was in my mouth.
What?
Something was in my mouth.
What's in your mouth?
I don't know.
Your mouth okay?
I think